Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. So, in extension to our EBITDA calculator, we also have this EBITDA margin calculator. So, the EBITDA calculator itself will also already give you the EBITDA margin when you use that one. But if you just want a quick calculator that gives you just the EBITDA margin, then you can use this calculator. So, up top here, we have the actual calculator that you will use. And down below, we have some very helpful content that will help answer any of the questions you may have. You can gather some more information about what the EBITDA margin is, the formula on how to calculate it. Um, there are listed some industry benchmarks that you can compare, and as well as some worked examples, some FAQs, and so on. But let's do an example here. So let's just put in some numbers for an example here. And so this instantly will show you the EBITDA margin and interpretation about how that margin is. And then here down below, we have the calculation exactly how those numbers are calculated. Obviously, to use this calculator, you would first need to know the EBITDA. If you don't already have the EBITDA number, then use our EBITDA calculator. Then you just put in the revenue or whatever numbers you have, the net profit or whatever, and then you can calculate the EBITDA. Um, but this is how you use this calculator. And just one pro tip when you use this calculator or calculate the EBITDA margin in general, be careful about comparing the EBITDA margin across very different industries. So, for example, a 15% margin is excellent for a grocery chain, but quite weak for a software company. So always compare margins within the same industry vertical. So just keep that tip in mind. Um, if you do have any questions on how to use this calculator or about EBITDA margin in general, just comment down below and I'll get right to them.